Hi students, I hope that you all are going good today. So in today's session we will solve this question number 6 of exercise 2.2 students. Okay, see this question number 6 is saying you have to multiply and express as mixed fraction. You have to multiply and express as mixed fraction. Okay, now the very first segment is given students a as 3 into 5 whole 1 upon 5. Okay, so you have to multiply these and then you have to express them in mixed fraction. But if you will see students, this is already given in mixed fraction. Okay, so how to multiply? Here students are committing mistake by multiplying these two. Okay, so one thing I would like to explain you students. मैं एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो है ये अलग टर्म है, ये होल नंबर है, और ये जो है ये एक अलग टर्म है, बीच में इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन है. ठीक है, तो ये और ये मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होगा. These two will never be multiplied. Okay, now what will happen? See, first we will convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction. क्या करेंगे हम? पहले इस मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को सिंपल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, so followed by equal to sign 3 into, now if you will change this mixed fraction into simple fraction, then how it will be changed? We will multiply these two, okay, and then we will add the numerator. So 5 5s are 25 and 1 we will have 26 upon 5. Now you have to check out for the common factor between them if any is there. Okay, so as we can see no common factor is there, so what we will do, we will simply multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators and then we will write it. Okay, so at numerator we are having 26 into 3, so 3 6 3s are, we will have 18, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 upon 5. Now this is your final fractional number and it has been instructed in the question that you have to express it as mixed fraction. So this is not your right answer. Okay, now I am going to change it to mixed fraction. Those who don't know how to convert fraction into mixed fraction, for them I am going to show one in detail here and then after that I will convert directly. Okay, now how we are converting? We are dividing 78 whatever number is there. Okay, now here 5 1 is 5, remaining 2, here 8 will come down, 5 5 is 25, remainder is 3. Now what we are doing, our denominator is remaining same students. Our denominator is remaining same. Now whatever quotient we got is acting as our whole number. In mixed fraction, you know, it is combination of whole number and fraction. So whatever quotient we are getting, that is acting as whole number, and whatever remainder we got, okay, so this remainder will be acting as your numerator. Okay, now if you will convert it back into fraction, you will get 78 upon 5. See, 15 5 is 75 plus 3, 78 upon 5. So this is the process of changing any fraction to mixed fraction. So I hope you understood it. From next segment I will directly convert it. I will not do this much of long process. Okay, now moving to next segment students, segment number 2. Okay, here we are having segment number B. So it is 5 into 6 upon 5 into 6, 3 upon 4. Again what we will do, again we will multiply. Okay, so for this first we will convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction. Okay, now for this 6 4 is 24, 24 plus 3 we will have 27 upon 4. Now check out for the common factor between them, है ना. So there is no common factor between them, so multiply the numerator and denominator. So you will have how much? 7 5 is 35, okay, and 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 13 upon 4. Now convert it to mixed fraction. If you will convert it to mixed fraction, then 4 3 is 12 and 4 3 is again 12, remaining how much? 3 students. So this much will be your answer. Okay, now similarly C segment is there students. What is C segment? C segment is 7 into 2 and 1 upon 4. 7 into 2 and 1 upon 4. Again what you have to do, 7 as it is, convert it to fraction. 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 upon 4. Then see the common factor, no common factor, so 9 7 just 63 upon 4. Now convert it into mixed fraction, so 4 1 ja 4 and then 4 5 ja 20, then 4 as it is, and then here at numerator you will have 3. Okay, so these 3 segments are there. Now moving to next segment students, that is D, E and F. So for that let me clear the board, just wait for 1 minute. Okay, now we will see the next segment students. Here we are having next segment D segment, 4 into 6 and 1 upon 6 whole and 1 upon 3. So again we will convert this mixed fraction into fraction, and then we will see 4 into 6 3 is 18 plus 1, 19 upon 3. No common factor students, so simply we will multiply them. 9 4 ja 36, 4 1 ja 4 and carry 3, 4 3 7. You will have this much. Now convert it to mixed fraction. How will you convert? 3 2 ja 6, remaining 1, it will become 16. So 3 5 ja 15, remaining how much? 1. 1 will become numerator, and then denominator same thing. So 25 3 ja, you can see 75 plus 1, 76 upon 3. Okay, so similarly we will have next segment E segment. What is E segment? 3 here. Now first it has been given the mixed fraction 3 and 1 upon 4 into 6. Okay, so let it be. Again first we will convert it into fraction. So 4 3 is 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4 into 6. Now see, common factor is there between numerator and the denominator. So 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Okay, now if you will multiply them, then how much you will get? 13 3 is 39 by 2. Now if you will convert it into mixed fraction, 1 ja how much? It will, 1 will remain here, it will become 19. 2 9 ja 18, how much remaining? 1 and then upon 2. This one will be your answer. Okay, now moving to last segment of the same question students, segment number F. What is segment number F? 3 and 2 upon 5 into how much? Into 8 students. Into how much? Into 8. Okay, so again convert it into fraction. 5 3 is 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5 into 8. Okay, now see common factor, no common factor is there, so multiply the numerators. So 8 7 ja 56. Okay, 8 1 ja 8, carry 5, 8 and 5 how much? 13, 136 upon 5. Okay, now convert it into mixed fraction. So 5 2 ja 10, remaining 3, 36, 5 7 ja 36, remaining 1 and 5. So this one will be your final answer. I hope if any simple calculation mistake will be there in the question, then you will manage students, because simple concept is there for solving the question. You have not to multiply this and this. Why? Because students are getting confused here only. ठीक है, ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके गलती कर बैठते हैं. ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है, बस क्या करना है, ये होल नंबर को एज इट इज रहने देना है. इसे सबसे पहले फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है, उसके बाद फैक्टर्स का चेक करना है, एंड देन वी हैव टू reduce it to the simplest form, and then we have to convert it back to mixed fraction. So this was your question number 6 students. I hope you understood it. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, all of you stay safe, take care, bye bye.